Please don't. That's so, bro, she's like a monkey. Oh, it sucks it doesn't. I wish it would. The birthday girl is having a little dip. Yo. This is so. Hey guys, it is my birthday. It's 12:55 right now. But I need to go to sleep because I have to wake up at 9:30 tomorrow. And all these days I've been waking up at like 1 p.m. And I don't want to be tired tomorrow, so I have to go to sleep. And I'm going to sleep a little earlier because usually I go to sleep at 2 a.m., 1 a.m. But well, it is basically 1 a.m., but it's a little early for me. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is 9:22. I'm very tired because I probably fell asleep at like 2 a.m. 2 a.m.-ish, maybe 3. I honestly don't know because I went to sleep at, like, I turned off the lights at 1:25. I don't know when I fell asleep, but it took a while. Anyway, I'm gonna do waterproof mascara because we're going to the beach later on, and I don't want it to like leak anywhere. Where would it? I don't want it to, you know. Ow. I'm gonna put on these earrings. It's supposed to come at like 3-ish, but I think Natasha's supposed to come at 12. But I want to depend on it because she always says something and she. But we have to pick up a cake at 10. I don't know why it took my mom so long to get bread and banana bread. Starbucks. Now we got breakfast at first.
Сегодня же праздник, тащите все на стол. Салатик, тортик, мортик, давай танцуй, пошел. Эй, ла-ла-лей, вместе все так веселей. Еще, эй, ла-ла-лей, не старей, но будь мудрый.
I've been laying on my bed for like 2 hours. I want to go to sleep. Natasha was supposed to come 2 hours ago, but she didn't. I don't know where everyone else is, but it's 2:15 or something. Everyone's supposed to come at like 3, and I want to take a nap so bad. So now I'm playing Just Impress. Oh my gosh. Yes. You know what my favorite, one of my favorite parts of my birthday is everybody saying happy birthday to me. Like texting me and posting. Just kidding. That's so self-absorbed. Guys, it's me. Yes. Let's do a pose. Yes. Thea, can you leave my room, please? If you're not gonna be playing with me, leave my room. Guys,
The entire time. Y'all, this is
guess
not
who's here?
That is, you might want to delete the last couple minutes.
Guys, guess who's here?
Hey guys, what's up?
Natasha brought her whole bed over, but she didn't bring a dress.
I forgot to bring a dress in. No.
She just didn't want to bring a dress.
I did. I have so much dresses I could have brought, but I just didn't want
Excuses.
So,
Everybody came.
I was like, no.
She keeps touching me, so I'm really scared.
Fix your posture.
I'm
not about to have a hunchback.
Yo, cheating now?
Can we stop this? Okay, do you want to be or who wants to be our filmer?
Me.
Well, I did give you a tour.
You gave me like
Yes,
a
you
2%
did.
tour.
Yeah, you did. At like
You
2
showed
in the
me
morning.
When I was there.
Oh yeah, I did give you a tour.
No.
You didn't get a tour. Guys, can we bury this?
Bury?
Bury?
What's wrong with it?
We throw it.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Hi.
Say hi. Say something to the vlog.
Hi. Do you wanna give me a? Do you wanna give me a
Massage.
massage?
Sure.
I'm ready.
Ready for what?
A massage.
Yeah, you should do that.
You'll really stop for talk.
Oh, hi.
What are you guys doing?
Getting her massage so she gets one better.
Hi, Mama.
So is there Supreme like as a pizza in Domino's?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that
a
should be an
flavor
option.
everywhere.
There's like extra za.
What is that?
Wait, what was the? It was you.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, that's my job.
Hi guys, so we're about to eat. Please don't make me look bad. Thank you.
There's no filters on here.
Okay, so we're gonna eat pizza and then. So we decided to eat at home instead of the beach. Why are you sitting so far away?
Should it be closer? I am zoomed in.
Oh no, please no.
Давайте, пока не остыло, все девочки собрались.
Не, да?
Why are you saying?
Like you can understand. So we have Kaylin over here. We have Karina. Karina, say hi.
Yes.
We have Natashka. We have Angel. We have. Yeah, you can. Hey guys, we're at the beach.
Hello.
Yay. So I'm really.
Want me to record for you?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm really sleepy. So we're gonna sleep in the ocean. Are we gonna take pictures before? Before we're out there.
It's really bright right now.
Yeah.
The photos are gonna turn out good. I don't think. They're gonna turn
Oh
bad.
shoot! I should have left my shoes in the car. I'm
Yeah.
stupid. So there's nobody here. It's not existent anymore.
It doesn't exist anymore?
They took it away.
Why? Are you kidding me? That was the only reason I liked the beach. And I went here once.
Well, it's not here.
Okay, we can come up.
This ain't Boca Raton. You.
I just said Boca Raton.
But it didn't work. We are tracking your location now.
Oh.
Stop, that's cute.
Okay, guys, we got out of the water and we're gonna go. Pee. You didn't pee in the ocean.
Natasha was holding me, so I'm gonna get that beautiful face of yours.
We're gonna go. Please don't zoom in. Please,
I'm gonna zoom in.
Please, I beg. We're gonna go. What's it called? Please don't. We're gonna make it cinematic. Make it cinematic.
Oh, okay, how do I do that? How do I make it cinematic, bro? It's even recording.
Okay, this is good. Make it like aesthetic.
Alright.
We're gonna go walk around. We might, jump into the house. Get the cops to come us.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Transition.
How do I turn this
That
off?
was the wrong.
They were tan.
Okay, guys, I feel like I'm gonna drop this camera. So we have flowers.
Giving me.
So everyone has their own flower, and I guess I get the bouquet.
She gets all of them combined.
Okay, we're gonna look at houses and say what house we want in the future.
Okay.
So my
Not
phone has
this
been
one.
taken away from me. So,
This is awkward.
oh, this hurts my feet. Ow! Oh!
Yo, yo, yo.
Free dogs. Okay, this house is pretty nice. It's just the shoes are a little weird.
Yeah. I think they're still recovering from the hurricane.
It's been a couple years, but you know, everyone takes their time differently. This one's pretty cool if I lived in Greece. Oh, I hear music. We are going that way. Wait, can we go there?
Oh yeah, they're playing Jamaican music.
I really like Jamaican music.
Okay.
Run!
Back in the streets, they call it murder. Went back there.
Gosh, chill. Wow, I would get. It's cute. It's pretty.
I like this tree.
Can you climb
I
it?
need some CeraVe.
Can I climb it?
You're gonna break it.
This is not our property.
Oh,
Right. What's in there?
Yo, you're drinking water?
Throw up some gang signs, dude.
Yo, chill. Karate or what?
Okay, take a deep breath in.
It smells like a pee.
No, again.
Ew, did you burp?
Yeah, probably. Where's this fountain?
That's where we're going.
Where is it?
It's not this way.
Oh, I thought you said, where's the music?
Are y'all for real right now?
We're going towards the music.
Yeah, let's go music.
Can we prank people? Be like Danny Duncan?
Oh, okay. I heard that's so wrong.
What'd you hear?
I'm not saying it.
Can you, what's your prank people? What? Guys, Papa? Why have I never seen this?
Maybe because we don't live.
The grass!
Someone need to fix this.
Come here. Let me fix it.
Fine.
Take your.
I want to take a video.
This music fire.
So Jamaican.
Did you take one?
It's a video of this of our little life.
Oh my gosh, this is the same thing, just different colors.
We're in the what? Oh, we're in the. Oh,
We're in the outer banks.
oh gosh, yeah. We're in the beach.
You're in the what? We're in the what?
Yeah, because it's coming out of someone's.
We're in the what?
Hotel.
I don't care. There's no such thing as ghetto in Boca Grande.
Why are we? What is it?
No, her flower.
Fire.
Again? Okay, we gotta just get along with these things.
Okay, so we're walking to the fountains now.
Can we get a flower for you real quick?
Oh, let's go. Got it.
Why is it like that?
Your flowers keep falling out. It's not cool, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, those are the ones that are falling out. If you want them to fall out, let them do it.
It's so cute. Can you take a video
Of you walking.
of the flowers? I mean,
We got
did
me-
all the flowers from here?
Yeah, just one left.
Okay, it's fine.
We got like these cute flowers. And then cute
just gonna
Milana. Cute Milana.
So we got left out.
Yeah, all those freaking lesbian girls are over there.
Guys,
It won't focus, but
Смотрите. Хочешь? Он такой. Или?
boy. Oh, I got.
oh,
Oh,
you're okay?
yeah. Oh, my flowers are here now.
Little flower.
Dad?
Focus.
7:16.
Oh look, hibiscus. Hold up. Oh my gosh.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. I'm gonna just quickly film these cute flowers. Oh wait, that's not hibiscus. I'm slow. Pardon me for being retarded. We got like these cute flowers. It always takes so long to focus.
Cute.
See?
I don't think you could take a photo while you're.
Seriously?
Are we getting?
Finally got here.
Yeah.
After like how many minutes?
40.
40? Are you for real? Hello, sir.
Yeah, wait. I look really bad.
One's already in there.
Got to the fountain. Angel, did you already film a video at the fountain? I don't know if you guys know, but we're at the fountain, Chess. I need to put my. Can you hold this? I need to put this on. There's like.
Let me zoom some out. Wait.
Okay, guys. So I feel like I'm doing like a tour. So we have our couple over here.
Yeah.
There was a wasp I met here before this.
Are you for real?
Yeah, because there's like flower.
Oh my gosh, your hair just freaking freaked me
There's
out.
like sand in my freaking butt.
Hmm.
There's our little madelka. Are you trying to stick your toes in my butt?
No.
Did you guys hear that?
No.
You're not gonna have to put subtitles.
Where is it? Ah,
I
it's
don't
right
think it's
here.
really hearable. Yeah, so I started. Video.
Oh, video? Okay. So you go from the very front. You have to show Poolside of Remember when you climbed the tree? Did I do
Oh yeah, wait. I think I don't know. I doubt I can do that again.
Oh shit. Is that so? Bro, she's like a monkey.
Bro, that's insane. Okay, now you try it.
Bro,
Let's see if you grew from last year.
I got fatter, so they like disapproved.
Yo, set up or what?
Wow!
But we do it with your elbows.
You're just so light.
You don't hop with your arms. You hop and then you go with your elbows. You lift yourself with your arms. Like with your arms, like pretend like you're doing a push-up and you push yourself up. What?
I'm just weak. I'm not athletic like you, bro.
I don't
Our
do
tennis
Oh
master.
my goodness. I'm joining back tennis and soccer.
Okay.
I'm so
This is
excited.
more revealing with
It's okay. Can you please, at least, if you're gonna give me the glasses, put them up correctly? They were like unreal.
This is pretty flower.
Yeah, look at that.
So basically you walk in, there's this like stitchka, there's this thing. I really like how, I want this in my future house.
I want this entire place in my future house.
No, I want this garden. I thought this was someone's garden, somebody.
Yeah.
Sam Murphy Park. Created by the generous contributions of the local government. Okay, whatever, I'm not reading that. We have, I don't know what, pest control? Oh.
Hmm.
Okay, so there's this beautiful tree. That looks like we're in the
It's giving
jungle.
Tarzan.
Yeah. We have this, the trash can.
It's actually so aesthetic. Like I want this in my house.
So you can go either way. I decided to go this way because it's more tropical. So there's the fountain that people
It's not focusing.
people usually put coins in there, but I don't think there's any coins because everyone stole them.
Hmm.
Look at that. Look at that. It's so exciting. Can we join?
I'm not joining in the water.
Wait, outside.
Yeah. Okay, should I end the video? What are we doing now? Oh, shoot. Can you hold this? Sorry.
You want to see my retarded fingers?
Girl, hold this. Because I need to zoom out.
Take a video of that.
I did.
It's gonna look like
And I'm on my period.
I got that on
10
video.
things I didn't know. You learned something every day. Alright.
Ooh. Let's see that moment. You can't even see the sky.
Like zoom into it.
I am.
Can we just use the
Guys, my dream house! Guys, you guys didn't go the correct way. This is not where it is.
We already passed the house twice.
Natasha, this is not where it is.
Yo, look at these. Are you guys
See that photo video?
Yeah.
This is my dream house, guys. This is my dream house, and everyone's gonna come and visit me. Can I live with you?
Yeah. She's gonna be in the doghouse, and I'm gonna have tea with Karina's little teacup that she bought me at TJ Maxx.
Oh, yeah,
and
right.
it's gonna be perfect.
Baby, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I don't know where they think they're going, but it's definitely wrong.
Guys, are we going?
Guys,
to
the pool is the other way.
Kaylin,
It's not here.
the pool is not that way.
Yes, it is. What way? Then where is it?
Do you just want to go
It's that way. Guys.
Oh, because this is where. Oh, it's the next one over again. Never mind, guys. Sorry.
This guy's eating so hard over there. You need. Okay, thank you. This guy's eating so hard over there.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yo, you see that? It looks so good.
Ugh, it doesn't zoom in more.
Oh, that sucks. It doesn't. I wish it
Yeah.
could. I wish you could zoom in so.
I know. I don't have my phone.
Oh my gosh! Whatever I just did not look right.
Oh.
When you zoom in so.
Yo. Yo.
I think Natasha peed herself.
I think she.
Nothing.
This is so cute.
She actually peed herself. Look, they both did.
Yo, Basalis, our boy.
Basalis,
I'm Basalis. Dumpster diving.
We should do like a tour inside.
We worship.
Toy.
Twi. Recording a video.
At the pool. In North Dakota.
Yeah, I want him to be like a vlog type of thing.
This is vlog.
You're gonna have to take a photo of that guy.
Oh, wait, hurry up.
And that! Look!
Hurry up!
So the sky doesn't look as good as it does in real life. But we have Karina, Natasha. Natasha's taking pictures on my phone.
Oh.
It's Karina.
Do Edis want this?
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Do you want me to record?
Yeah, record me. So we are stomping into. We're gonna trespass, but don't tell anyone. Is this the thing? Are you guys sure this is it? Yeah, this is it. Because this is where we kind of trespass to. But don't tell anyone again. So that tree. It looks like it's from this part. What? Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Found Hawaii pink flowers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's in the stream. Did you use your app to find out? Or did you know?
It's right here.
Oh my god! What? Maybe if you look up. Wait.
That's so cute. Okay. Karina, you're giving these flower vibes.
Honestly, who wants to
Wants to
like
get picked.
What is
who
that?
wants to like
I'll go.
climb on me?
I'll go. Wait.
You need it.
This is so cute.
Okay, that doesn't happen. Do you think so? I think I'm too heavy.
Okay, someone hold the camera.
Okay, guys.
I'm actually joking, I can't climb walls.
I can try. I'm tall. Wait, you're tall. Try to jump.
I did, but I don't.
Are you okay?
Wait, is there better?
Wait, what if we move the rocks over there?
They do.
Oh.
Is there
Maybe we can get her from the entrance and find something there.
Oh yeah. Wait, they're so smart. Okay. So we're trying to pick more of these flowers. Okay, so they're.
Where did it go?
No.
Where's my hair?
Somebody help me. I'm a really weak person. I cannot lift myself up.
Oh, the
It's
sunset.
giving like outer
Oh,
space.
there's a kite.
Dude, we've been talking about it for the last
Oh
20
my
minutes.
gosh, are you serious?
Wait. Can I, please? Oh my god.
Look at that sun.
That's why I told them. They were like,
Milana, are we actually charging? We can just go around.
No, you can't. That's actually so.
Okay, we're gonna go trespass.
Okay, so we can climb this, but we don't want to because we're not athletic like that. So we're just gonna walk.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you guys make it?
Yeah, it's easy.
Yo, that's such a good way.
Well, I'll send you all the photos.
Okay, we should share an album, prosto. Yo. Are you kidding me? Go.
Should I put it?
No. Anybody? Yeah.
Is it anybody's?
Ain't nobody gonna take it. Girl, take it. That's your birthday present from the universe or whatever. Oh, look at that. We're gonna go sneak into this thing. Ain't nobody gonna care. It's here for no reason. Okay, sand dunes. Okay. Just go. Keep her.
I know, but can someone get like this white?
Okay.
Someone, let's take off white stuff. Let's go under the door.
Why white stuff?
Can you guys take this? When I go under, I don't want to go. Yeah, sure. Put on something. Sure. Can you get my shirt?
Sure.
Someone was yelling.
Yeah.
What were they saying?
I don't know. Okay, if I jump. We stay before the camera dies. Hurry up.
wait, put your hands up, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Yo.
I hate. Okay, so we just trespass into this.
Do you have a second do you have a second battery?
No.
Bro, it's gonna die.
Just how's the water?
Warm, like tea.
Ew.
Like the fountain.
Yeah.
On. Yo. Whoa.
Was that bad?
Oh, that was good.
Was that bad?
Oh, that was good.
Kayla just
I'll tell you tomorrow, my honest.
What was bad?
I
touched you. We're not good.
They're showing the pool now.
No, I'm good. So, wait, can you film it? Oh, you're far. Okay, sorry. We might get electrocuted.
Oh, it's just a
No.
No, it's fine.
It's just a vacuum. It's fine.
It's just a vacuum.
Are you?
It's meant to be waterproof.
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Oh, okay.
Julia has one.
It's okay.
Guys, hurry up. I'm getting bitten, bro. I want to jump in as well.
Oh yeah, okay. So did I set up the camera?
Yeah, and
Yeah. It wasn't filming.
It wasn't? Well, I recorded before.
Okay.
That was just the truck.
Are you gonna go?
I want a picture.
Oh, you want a picture? This is.
Again and get my whole body stained.
Like freaking dookie everywhere on me. Do you think you're funny?
We're trying to get out.
Oh my gosh. And there's this guy trying to get in.
Are you kidding?
Yes.
Someone's getting in?
Yes.
Oh, I'm going under. I don't care.
Bro. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty though. Can you hold my stuff real quick? Bro, just go under, bro. Guys, you're not gonna. My phone is covered in sand. I'm covered in sand.
It was literally
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we probably need to go.
Are we jumping over the fence again?
Are we gonna wait for them? They don't have a phone or nothing.
Oh.
Where are they going?
I think this is.
The birthday girl is having a little dip. Yo. And she's gone. Addicted. I don't know what I'm on. Yo, and they're having a little photo shoot set, like a baddies they are. Angel's serving. Ooh, look at them. They're gonna have a little aesthetic moment, Brigitte. Good now. This is so Outer Banks coded, it's insane. So, battery died.
Hey guys, it's this charger there. Actually, I don't know where it is, but you're gonna have to hunt for it yourself. Okay, guys, so everyone's showering right now, getting ready. So cute. Okay, we're gonna get this, and we're gonna cover all our blemishes. Bro, we want to be sleeping over.
Yo. Okay, explain the day.
I look so bad.
Explain what we just did.
Guys, I look so bad.
There's so much sand in here, Louis, if you hear it.
Are you serious? There's so much sand in it?
Like, do you hear it?
It's a crunchy. It's a crunchy.
Okay, I got it out.
Oh no.
Wait, let me shake it out.
So I look like a witch right now.
No, you don't.
No, she doesn't.
No, we said we said the same thing.
Delusional, but like in the wrong way.
Who is that?
Who?
Who is that girl?
Victoria Demol.
Demo.
I don't know. Next, yeah.
Oh, Daniela joined. Yo.
Girl, why are your pupils always so dilated?
I know, it's insane. Dude, actually, it's insane.
And I freaking do it again. No, you guys. If I'm sleeping, I know she's like.
You're enjoying it?
I enjoy it every time.
How are your pupils always so dilated?
Can you guys take a picture? Can you take a picture of me?
And we're gonna celebrate her because that's what
Yo.
we're here for. So we're waiting for you.
Boing? They're like unshoveling the cake. Yo, wait.
Oh, that's so cute. Oi.
Oi, oi.
Wait, so did her just like the colors just like how?
Wait, okay, should I just eat without?
This is a really funny moment.
Yeah, why is it? Can I wear something?
No.
This is so cute.
Oh. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, we have one person leaving.
Ugly, bro.
We have Angel leaving.
Yo, Angel's like naked, bro.
It's just her panic.
Yeah, it's like a panic.
Panic. This is the birthday queen,
I
and
wanna
she's
go
slaying.
outside and get a speaker and totally
But I want to take pictures of you outside
I wish I
with
could
like
stay.
flowers.
We're gonna do it.
Girl,
I wish I
you'll
could
see this
stay.
all on the vlog.
Yeah, I wish I could stay. But
This is gonna be like an hour vlog. Like actually, because it's gonna be a 2-day vlog. You should do part 2. Perfect, because you can do first day and then like after 12 a.m. Because ночью будет сниматься and then tomorrow morning probably. No, we're just saying bye to Angel.
No, can I say hi to your mommy?
Can I meet your
I
mommy?
love your mom.
Yes, let's go.
I want to meet your mom.
It smells so good. It was nice meeting you.
I want to meet blowing candles.
Yeah. I took a video on her phone. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be cutting the cake now. It's green inside.
Wait,
It's actually green, bro. That's so weird.
Это прикиньте, у кого-то
Bro,
этот
what
вот
the heck? Should we eat it?
кто-то делал, допустим, джендер-пати, и у них это
It's-
мальчик. А тут, оказывается, короче, прикиньте, ему отдали на что-то, и оказалось, что у них девочка.
Oh, it's white chocolate.
Glasses are like traveling around.
I know.
Oh, we have Karina here. Karina. We have our little queen. We have.
Gymnastics.
Can you guys not?
Can we do cheer stunts?
Yes.
Me and Karina can be flyers. I can't do anything. Like I'm the most unflexible on. No, like you just stand. Karina stand.
Someone's gonna lock this down. I'm calling it.
I'm gonna fly into my nose and break my teeth with somebody's fear. Yeah. Somewhere.
Well, you have to face your fears one day.
There's a camera right there. There's blood coming down your nose. Where? What else to do?
That's like right against the wall.
I know. Oh. You really couldn't. My back was like shaking. is you hold my arm. Yes, very good. Good, good. She's stronger. Good job, Kaylin, go. Oh yeah.
Do I do my other?
Okay. Okay. Oh no, I'll get it back.
Oh. I can't.
You can't? Boy, who you don't have to stand. Are you strong enough? I'm not strong enough. I'm not strong.
Guys,
my hands are really weak. I have the weakest hands. You can, bro. You should have been like, bro. No, where are you going? I feel like there's nothing left of me. None.
okay guys, so what time is it, Karina?
3:30.
3:30 a.m. We're actually filming
Legos.
We're gonna build, I guess not. We're gonna build some Legos.
Thank you.
Wants you. He said tell her to wake up. I said, bro, I'm not doing that.
No, I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Okay.
4:51.
It's 4:51. 4:50, almost 5. I'm really tired. Oh, we're staying up till sunrise, right? It is 6:33. And it is bright outside. Karina just woke up. Milana's listening to some music.
Sorry. We were here. Should I? Well, at night we were here, and she's somewhere. Kaylin's there. I don't want to go in there because I'm scared. She's not slapping me in the face if I walk in there. But and this is Natashka, and I'm watching 13 going on 30, and it's low-key very weird. So bright outside. It's Karina's. Okay, so what time is it? It's 12:43 a.m. Catalina and Kaylin left, but we have to clean up because they're about to deliver a refrigerator. So we have to clean.
Whose thing is this?
But we didn't wake up for sunrise. Well, at least I didn't, because nobody woke me up. But
I tried. Literally, you were such a dead sleeper.
Okay, that's Vitaly's pillow.
is that Natali's pillow? Yeah. Okay. There's a roach crawling on me in the morning.
Is it because of the hamster?
Yes.
Are we not supposed to have anything on the
Catalina was like beating it. She's like, sorry. It was like, it's like crawling all over your hands.